Good morning, I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you're watching the Quantamize Global AM Markets Preview, where it's all about uncomplicated investment, great data, and all the trades you'll ever need. And remember, everything's free. So let's get started.
Good morning. Today's June 7th, 2019. I'm here with my daughter Sophia again, and I'm sure she's going to have some market commentary to go along with mine. Thank you, Sophia. Let's get started. U.S. stocks are on pace for a fourth straight day of gains, ahead of the payrolls data today at 8:30 a.m. What a start to the month. Nothing's really changed from yesterday, with Fed funds futures implying cuts to interest rates in future meetings. A big takeaway for me is that now Fed funds futures are implying a small chance of a rate cut during the FOMC meeting in mid-June. I just don't see that one happening. Despite all the news and volatility around the potential tariff wars with China and Mexico, the S&P 500 is still 4% off its all-time high, which it hit in early May. So what's my takeaway here? Buy the dip on Twitter volatility, that's for sure. And pay more attention to the fundamentals driving growth for the US economy and stocks. So what am I looking at this morning? Still coming back to consumer tech, but wait for this one. Grupo Aeroportuario del Sureste, ticker ASR. It's the airport operating Cancun. If the MXN continues to weaken, it becomes cheaper to go on vacation in the beautiful Yucatan. ASR is one of our top buy ideas in Mexico, and this is an awesome high-quality Mexican stock you can buy, which should not be materially impacted by potential tariffs. Definitely worth checking out. Now let's get into some really important stock news you need to be following this morning. Barnes & Noble is close to deal seeing itself acquired by Elliott Management after years of declines and numerous unsuccessful turnaround plans. At the moment, Barnes & Noble's market cap is just north of $300 million. The fall of Barnes & Noble's feels like the end of an era. I'm hoping the team at Elliott will be able to get this company back on its feet. Ceasars Entertainment Group is in talks and is close to deal to combine with rival El Dorado Resorts in a cash and stock offering that would result in El Dorado running the combined entity. Caesars is one of the largest casino operators with over 50 casinos in 13 states. Caesars has a market cap of $6 billion with $9 billion in debt, while El Dorado has a market cap of $4 billion with $3 billion in debt. This definitely would be a transformative deal. Not sure there's a trade here this morning, but it's definitely worth following. AT&T changes course, is likely to offer one tier of service for its video streaming service, rather than three, for roughly $16 to $17 a month. Will this be competitive with other video streaming? Maybe. DirecTV Now, if properly weaponized, is a serious competitor in the video streaming business. Definitely worth watching here to see if AT&T is going to go into this business hardcore. And finally, JP Morgan is killing its no-fee banking app Fin after launching it a year ago to go after millennial and Gen Z consumers. At the moment, JP Morgan has the most digital customers of any US bank with 50.7 million and will now try to track and service these young customers through its Chase unit. Not sure this is a great deal, but I think the bigger point is that JP Morgan was having serious issues attracting millennials and Gen Zers. I don't think it's a product issue, it's a brand issue. Just too much competition from startup fintech companies who are also going after the same demographic.
I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment below, shoot us a tweet, or send us an email. Tell us what you think about the Global AM Markets Preview and what else you'd like us to include. I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you were just watching the Global AM Markets Preview here at Quantamize.